Hello and welcome to the BTC channel. This channel is going to be about the cryptocurrencies mainly. I'm going to talk about the Bitcoin price, show you some Bitcoin news, and maybe do some trading. I'm new to this I'm new to the crypto space, so I don't know much. I'm trying to learn every day. I'm trying to improve. I'm going to use this channel as a way to show you guys my journey. And I'm gonna be really transparent, show you guys everything I do, and trying to learn from the community, from you guys as well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the current state of Bitcoin, trying to show some of the Bitcoin thought that is going around right now, and yeah, let's dive right into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is the environmental concern that's been a big topic recently. In particular, Elon Musk's tweets that have really highlighted the concern, and in which he posted on the 14th of May, which a lot of people probably knows already, that Bitcoin will not be, Tesla will not be using Bitcoin as a payment method. This decreased the Bitcoin's price in a huge way. It was like a 15-16% drop just from that tweet, and ever since it's just been declining and declining. But recently he posted another tweet. He posted that he and Michael Saylor have been talking about creating some Bitcoin mining council that promotes energy usage, clean energy usage. So yeah, I guess you could see this as a good thing for Bitcoin, that it's moving in the right direction. But what is weird that we have always known this, that Bitcoin takes a lot of energy. So a lot of people have been speculating that these big players are manipulating the market. Like it's crazy how just from just a couple of tweets the price has just gone down extremely. Like just in this month, the Bitcoin price has gone down by like 50%, and this I wouldn't argue that it's only because of Elon tweets and everything about that. It's also we were going to see a correction eventually. It just went up and went up, and of course it's going to go down. So, but one interesting thing that I want to mention in this video, which is quite scary, is the Wyckoff distribution model, which in this tweet by Eric Thies, it's a very good example of how it has played out recently. You can see that it's like mirroring the model here, the Bitcoin price. It went up here in December, another pump when Tesla announced that it will use Bitcoin as a payment method, and it just dumped, pumped, and now it just has been going down, to the 40,000 line here. So which is you can see this as like proof that it is big Bitcoin whales are manipulating the market. They pump it and people FOMO in, and then they dump it, make massive profits off of it, and it just they want to see the Bitcoin price go down, which it has. But regardless of these speculations, I think we are not going to go down to zero. We are going to go up. Of course, Bitcoin is. Elon said that to clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, they are still holding their Bitcoin. Square, just yesterday, it posted that another major company, an IT behemoth called Globant, has its reports that they have bought $500,000 worth of Bitcoin. So there's still the big institutions and the big companies that are buying, they are still holding their Bitcoin, and I think you still should. I am, and yeah, it's going to go up. So we don't. I don't think we should be that worried right now. If you just hold, don't panic. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to talk about. And now I'm going to take a closer look at the chart here and talk a little about the daily and then going up closer to the 4 hour. Okay, jumping into the chart here, we are looking at the daily time frame here, and what you see here is we are in a bear market. Unfortunately, it's sad to say, but we haven't had any higher highs since the 18th of April, when we got up to 64,000 approximately, and then we just went down and created our first lower high, which then just had gone down dramatically in price. It went Now we're down 35%, but it went down to almost 50% just from that time, and that was, what was it, like 17 days ago. It's crazy how the price can move. Um, so yeah, we are in a bear market for now until we see any corrections to the upside, which we are waiting for potentially. If we bring up the EMA ribbon as well on the daily, we are still below it, which is a daily sign. But if we take a closer look to the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we are still struggling to go up over the EMA ribbon. We have been struggling on this level for today and yesterday. We have gone up, gone down, gone up, gone down, and yeah, right now it's just moving sideways. Um, we can see. Oh, I'm gonna just take this off. I want to show you a pattern that's been pretty clear for the last days. It's this inverse head and shoulders. We see a shoulder here, and we see the head here and another shoulder here, which could be a sign to the upside. Oh, sorry. We have a price target of approximately 48,000. When we take this, oh, sorry, when we take this here from the neckline to the head, we can say that it will approximately be, around here, 49 and 48. But we have not seen it break out from the neckline yet. We are still hoping. It would be good to see that it went up here, that it got down, up here, touched the neckline, and then we saw a breakout from here. But right now we are going down, which might indicate that this pattern is invalid. I don't know, what do you think? Write in the comments if you still think that this could play out. If it plays out, if we go over this neckline here and test this previous support line here, which is now a big resistance line, if we go over this, I'm going to put it in a long position, which I'm also going to show you guys, and potentially, hopefully, go up here to 48,000. Um, so yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. We saw that I have the 20 and 100 EMA here. We saw that it broke down here, which I don't know if you can call it a death cross maybe, because we saw it just went down and down and down, and has been below the 20 EMA ever since we broke it here, actually. Yes, 24th of May, yeah, and we've been just going sideways from it right now. So if I can see a breakout here on the neckline as well, through the 100 EMA, and we can go through this resistance line, I'm for sure going to put in a long position here, hopefully going to the upside. Um, yeah, we can also see here, if we back out again to the daily, I always do that. Daily here. How right? Right. I'm just gonna lock this. Sorry. No. There we go. The resemblance to the Wyckoff model. Like, look at this. This is a support line on the Wyckoff level at 41 to 44, which we also have here between 41 and 44, which we can see being tested later on in the coming days or weeks. If we go up there, there's going to be resistance for sure. We might see something like this. We go up and we test this, and then we go up again here, but then we go down again and continue this bear trend. But I don't know. Um, Here in the model, we here at the resistance line, at the support line, it goes up through it and then it just goes down again. So yeah, I don't know. This is what it shows. We don't know. We'll just have to see in the coming days. But I'll update you if this goes through the neckline, and I'm also going to show you if I make any positions on Bybit, which is the trading platform that I'm using. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. This was my first video on this channel, and I don't expect it to be that good. So please write a comment and write something of what you thought. I'm gonna try to upload more, of course, and update you as much as I can. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.